Hi, I'm Dr. Keith Ablow with another Pain to Power video. This one's a little bit different because it's some advice about a supplement that can be very helpful. Curcumin, actually, is a supplement derived from the Indian spice turmeric. So it's completely natural, obviously. And there's something very interesting about it that most people still don't know about, which is that when you take curcumin and you put it up against Prozac in head-to-head comparisons where nobody knows which they're getting, it rates about as well, in fact, equally good as Prozac for mood issues. Now, that's an amazing thing because, after all, there are no known side effects of curcumin that are serious in any way. Whereas antidepressants, while a gift to so many people, they can precipitate being too elevated in your mood. Actually, if you're vulnerable to having a manic episode, it's possible that Prozac could push you there, or any other antidepressant. They might have effects on sleep, on sexual performance, that some of them can cause anxiety rather than quieting anxiety. Again, they're a gift to millions and millions of people. But curcumin's entirely natural, derived from the Indian spice turmeric, and it's thought to work because it's anti-inflammatory, which is intriguing because there is a theory that depression is, in fact, related to inflammation in the brain. That inflammation could be the final common pathway for lots of different illnesses, and psychological ones, psychiatric ones, not being spared from that. So if inflammation's involved and curcumin works to target and reduce inflammation, it's certainly possible that the way that it's helping with depression, and helping as much as Prozac, is in fact in that way, by decreasing inflammation in the central nervous system. And it does get to the central nervous system. That's very important. It crosses what's called the blood-brain barrier. It gets into the CNS from the peripheral circulation, which you need because, after all, you're swallowing this. It has to get to the central nervous system. Now, further thought as to why we could use curcumin in this way is that actually arthritis drugs, but those have their own side effects, but arthritis drugs in high enough dose can treat some depression too. So what's going on here? Well, what's going on in part is that question about, are we really dealing with inflammation, which, after all, is an amazing culprit responsible for so many things in the body. Inflammation has to go up, for instance, in order for cancer to thrive. It's making new blood vessels. It's churning inside your body. That's a kind of inflammation. So if we can quiet that inflammation down using curcumin, a natural substance derived from the spice turmeric, that would be a great thing. So for anxiety, for mood issues, I'm not saying get off your medicines. I'm not saying that at all. I'm not saying that you can rely on this 100% as a substitute for any prescription that your doctor might write for you. What I'm saying is it's certainly worth a try. If your mood is low, if you have anxiety, it's certainly worth trying curcumin to address those problems. And we're all about here at Pain to Power, becoming powerful in every way. And if some of your pain is related to your mood, to your level of contentment, to the amount of stress that you're experiencing, why not try curcumin? Because bottom line is, not known to have any serious side effects, totally natural, available at any pharmacy you'd go to and online everywhere, from a million different companies that make it. So give it a try if you think it might be helpful. And always remember, your story matters. So if there are tools out there that can make you a more powerful person, I'm going to bring them to you.